What's up, YouTube? It's your guys, the Hotshot Hotwires, back at it again with a banger.
We hope you enjoy our video on growing plants and on fish in space. We will start with a clip of astronaut Dr. Peggy Whitson discussing plants in space.
Definitely, plants take up more space. I think there are a couple of advantages of growing plants, and they're both psychological. It's because it's more like real food, and some people actually enjoy growing them. So there's definitely some benefits of growing plants, but they do, I think if you found the right plant, you might have to develop some miniaturized version of something that was very compact, that grew rapidly, produced a lot. You'd have to optimize the plant selection to minimize the space and the requirements. But remember, plants do take up that nasty carbon dioxide, and if you had enough plants around, that could help you reduce the requirement you need for carbon dioxide removal on board your spacecraft. So there's benefits too. It's just it's a little less tangible because you can't always be sure you're going to have enough plants to.
Hi, this is our presentation on growing plants in space. Astronauts Steve Swanson and Rick Mastracchio have created Veggie, and what Veggie is a container that helps plants grow in areas without gravity. If astronauts grow plants in space, it could give them fresh fruits and vegetables that they don't usually get in space. Astronauts have found out how to grow lettuce and tomatoes in space successfully. Growing flowers in space could help astronauts with depression, since it reminds them of planting flowers or seeing flowers on Earth. Thank you.
We saw how the plant experiment in space was a success. Unfortunately, we can't say the same thing about fish. Today, I will be talking about how NASA sent fish into space and what exactly happened to the fish. In 2012, NASA sent Medaka fish into space. These fish were used to study the effects of microgravity on marine animals. These fish were held in the Japanese module of the International Space Station. Medaka fish were used because they are native to Japan. They're also transparent, so it's easy to see if there are any structural changes in the fish. They breed quickly, so one can see if there are any reproductive changes in the fish. Finally, their entire genome has been mapped out, so it would be easy to see if any mutations occurred. The results weren't pretty. The fish started losing bone mass very fast. This was helpful to NASA because it showed how the process of bone degeneration actually occurs. This was also useful because Medaka fish have similar skeletons to humans. So what exactly happened to the fish? Most of the fish died. Their bodies were shipped back to the Earth and preserved in a museum. Thank you.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please slam a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell as hard as you can.